Out of the many electives available at Cypress Ranch, culinary arts is unique. Rather than strictly doing paperwork, culinary arts offers students a hands-on experience with cooking, allowing them to bake and cook all by themselves.
My favorite thing about this class is, bro, I don't want to say cooking because that's what Naya said, but what else is there to say?
Students of all grade levels can take the Introduction to Culinary Arts. However, it is not required to take culinary arts. It's a one-period class that features no cooking and is all about learning the tools of the kitchen. If you want to get straight into the cooking, sophomores and older can take culinary arts, a 2-block class that features cooking and hands-on experiences.
Well, you learn a lot of things. You first learn safety and sanitation, which is the biggest thing because as of right now with the government shutdown, food's not being inspected, so we don't know what is healthy and what isn't safe. So they're learning everything to keep food safe and how not to get a foodborne illness, how not to spread a foodborne illness. But they also, then we go into, they learn all the kitchen tools and equipment, then they learn how to bake, and then they learn how to cook.
After 1 year in culinary arts, students can move to advanced culinary arts, in which they would bus to Cy Park for classes. After taking advanced culinary arts, students can finally move up to practicum into culinary arts. Students will still bus to Cy Park, however, they'll be given the chance to take an internship at a restaurant, allowing them to teach advanced culinary arts at Cy Park as well.
Usually they can't take it till their junior or senior year. So that's, I guess, and a lot of times they'll take something over the summer so that they can fit it in their schedule. They'll take PE or they'll take a math credit or something over the summer so they can take it their senior year.
I don't know, it's such a good feeling to create something yourself and then you get to enjoy it,
Students in culinary arts cook a wide variety of foods, including sweets, entrees, and desserts.
We made this bacon mac and cheese pie. It was terrible, but I enjoyed cooking it, so that was fun.
They love the sweets in the fall, but they love getting to the spring when we learn how to actually cook. We do Colombian-style empanadas and country fried steak. They love the pot stickers that we make. And I think probably paella, and then the last thing, probably their favorite, is learning how to make fresh pasta. We learn how to make it, roll out the pasta, and then they'll make fettuccine and ravioli with it, and they love that.
Culinary arts also gives students an opportunity to earn a certification as well as advanced credit in the business and industry endorsement. Culinary arts gives students many opportunities in the future, not only teaching them the benefits of cooking, but also how to cook in a commercial setting.
I love that it's the part of the day that kids look forward to coming. They tell me all the time, I come to school because I knew that I was cooking today. I don't care about my other classes, I care about coming and cooking. So I love being that class for someone.
And would you recommend this class to others?
No, absolutely not. No, I would, I'm kidding.